Okay, so the word is deny. It is a verb. So the correct definition is to stop somebody from doing something. So if we think here, this guard, he did not let these people into the store because it was closing. And this person, whoever was working the movie theater ticket little area, he did not let these people get into that R-rated movie. All right? So give me another example using the word deny. It could be in any form. Denying, denied. So when else have you been stopped from doing something? Yes.
I was denied from getting another taco.
All right. My mother denied me. Why is that?
I was at Moe's and I wanted to get 2 tacos, but my mom only let me get 1.
Oh, from getting another taco. Now, I have a question. Shh. Do you think, sometimes we learn new words, right? But they're not always the best word to use for that situation. Do you think that in this situation, this example, do you think it would be the best time to use denied? No. Probably not. All right? But you do have the right meaning. All right. Now, but what you have to understand is, when you first hear the word deny, what did you automatically think of the definition? Because I know some of you know what deny means. What definition automatically came to your mind? Yes.
Or to turn down.
To turn down.
So you don't give admission.
Yeah. So to say that something isn't true. Okay. So what you have to understand is in the English language, and I know you all know this. You have words that are multi-meaning words. Write that down. So multi-meaning, basically all it means is there is more than one meaning. And honestly, this is something you probably learned in like first grade. So like you're talking about orange, okay, you have the color orange, and then you have the piece of fruit orange. When you think about our last reading story, we had one of these words. And even after giving you the correct definition of this word, some of you still wrote another definition was not the one that we learned. Anybody remember that word? Say if you know it. Realize. Okay? So you have realize. The definition that I gave you was what?
To achieve your goal or dream.
You got it. To achieve your goal or dream. But now, a lot of you, because I think maybe you didn't study, you were thinking, oh, it's like, the realize, like, oh, I just realized I had homework. So you were thinking that it was that definition. Are there any words on our back word wall that fit into this multi-meaning words? Working?
Yeah, actually, you want to log in for me? I have to see that message.
So give me one of those multi-meaning words. All right, Jenny.
Scale, because it could mean something you weigh yourself on or to climb.
You got it. Give me another one.
Driven.
Driven. How is driven more than one definition?
Because it's like means determined, needed, I think, and like drive, like I drove.
Nope. Driven is a word. Driven only has one definition. Like drive. Now, if you're talking like so if you have drive, like if you have the drive, that means you have the desire to succeed. But drive also means like drive in a car. So drive would be one. All right, give me another one. Yeah.
Classic.
Ooh, what are the 2 definitions of classic?
Like classical music.
Classical music.
And something else I don't know.
What do you guys think?
Oh,
Yeah?
like an original.
Right. So you have the classics are the original, but then you have a type of music which is classic. Give me another one. Go ahead, Anthony.
Document.
Yeah.
It's like a Word document, and then I documented the Word document.
Well, wait a minute. Document, it means it could be a verb, and it means to write down information. Or it could be the noun where it's a piece of paper. All right. So I think we all understand that. So I'm going to wait till you're done talking. So I think we all understand what multi-meaning words are. You have to make sure that when you're selecting the word that you're going to use, that you're correcting the one with the correct definition. All right. Also, you know, a lot of times when you go to look up a word in a dictionary or on dictionary.com and it has 3 or 4 different meanings, you have to look at the sentence and say to yourself, okay, which of the definitions is the correct way that it's being used in the sentence? A lot of times what people do, well, 6th graders, is, what do you think? Oh, they just pick the very first definition, and that has got to be the definition because it's the first definition. So you cannot do that, all right? So those are, or the shortest one, all right? Okay.